Good morning. In this structure series, we see about the another conditions of the one of the longer edge is inclined at a certain angle. So in this case, we again I have to take a pentagonal prism, and also I take the same parameters. Okay, it's like a base length. I have to take base length. I have to take a 25 mm and height. Okay, the height I have to take 65 mm. Yes. So then I have to take another conditions like a axis perpendicular to VP. So these are the conditions I have to take for this problem. So first of all, I have to proceeding the one of the longer edge is incline. Okay. So that is a foremost thing to solve this problem. Okay. So how to draw this type of problem is, so first of all you have to what is the baseline and height value is mentioned. Okay. So then you have to proceeding further. Okay. So let's assume it's like the one of the longer it is inclined with a certain angle. Okay, I have to take 30 degree. Okay, then theta value I have to take 30 degree. Yes. So 30 degree I have to take for this problem. Okay. So once you have to point the any one of the point in marking on the XY line. Once you have to there is a point. This is origin. From the point you have to measure the 30 angle. Okay. First of all you have to measure the 30 angle. So I have here I have to take the right side. Then you have to proceed in left side also. Both are correct. Okay. So I have to proceed the angle with the right side. Okay. So I have to mark it as a 30 degree. Then I have to proceeding. Okay, what is the length value mentioned? It's like a 25 mm. So that 25 mm I got to draw the line like it's a starting point and the ending point. The drawing the 25 mm line is along the 30 degree. That is a very much important. Okay, so then I have to mark it as a the another point of it is like a d dash. So first of all I have mark it as a e dash. Then I have to mark it as a d dash. So once you have to consider one of the base of the pentagon. After that you have to considering it's a incline. Okay, so you have to make it an angle of 108 is 108. Okay. After that, you have to proceed in the arc method. From the arc, you have to cutting into the A dash and the C dash. Okay. Then you have to join the point is called as B dash. Okay. So this is the pentagon you have to construct. Okay. Once you have to complete these constructions, after that you have to proceed in the projection line towards the XY line. So I have to proceed the line like this. So this is my A dash, here my B dash, and this is my C dash, sorry, E dash, this is my C dash, and D dash. Okay, so this is my center point. We need to draw the center point. It's a quite complication. Okay, it's a understanding purpose is very complication. Okay, so that I have to considering further about the axis line. Okay, so then I got to mark it as a dash, B dash, D dash, E dash. I take as a top of the prism, and A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash, D1 dash, E1 dash, I have to take as a bottom of the prism. Okay. So once you have to constructing these parameters, you have to proceed in it. How to draw it? Okay. Like A dash is coming A, B dash is coming B, C dash is coming C, D dash is coming D. Similar, A1 dash is coming A1, B1 dash is coming B1, C1 dash is coming C1, D1 dash is coming D1, E1 dash is coming like E1. So what is the base height is given is 65. So that 65 I have to construct is once you have to draw the base length. Okay. After drawing the base length, you have to proceeding like this. Okay, this is my base length. Okay. So once you have to complete the base length, you have to draw the 65 mm line. You close the rectangular box. Okay. After closing the rectangular box, you have to draw the line like this. Okay. Yes. So this is my rectangular box is to be completed. Then you have to draw the naming like a A1, B1, C1, D1. Here I have to mark it as a base of the prism, and A, B, C, D, E I take as a top of the prism. Okay. So these are the case I have to complete it. Okay. So this is the case I have to repeat the axis perpendicular VP. That is the position of the solid. Where is the solid can be positioned, and is the orientation of the solid can be is like a one of the longer edge is inclined to HP. So that is why I have to mention like a inclined to HP. But the word is not like this. It's a longer edge is inclined. Okay, inclined to HP. That is the conditions for to draw this sum problem. Okay. So the only the three data are given. One is the base and the height, and one is the angle of the long edge is inclined to HP. So these are the cases very much important. So let's move on the next problem. Is next video. Okay, it's like another condition to for the same problem. Okay, like a pentagon. Thank you.